Next, so Mayang Bhaginantuhu Lovang Putrancha Konnakam Nikriting Janoyamasa Toyfutrudu Sutuhu Havad so Mayang Bhaginantuhu. We understand that Brahma creates path from black and his wife name is Mitha, and Mitha and othermost son is Dambho, and Mitha and othermost daughter is Maya. We see that Dambho and Maya married. They have one son, the name is Noiditi, and they began to start sansar and take a sword that is love. And after some time we see love, Satota, Maya, Dambho, etc. their generation. But how came this Kali? From where that Kali born? And the Kali Yuga named from his name. The Yuga is Kali affected Yuga. For this Yuga's name is Kali Yuga. How that Kali born? How that Kali born? How that Kali born? Oh Murugan, heard this description. I shall describe about that Kali, how that Kali come, and how his generation come, and how he has a strength, as he is a king of this world, and how he affects the world, how he affects the nations, how he affects the peoples, how he the king of this Kali Yuga. From his name, this Yuga's name is Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga. If you heard heartily, mildly, you will understand that, and you will be understand the Kali and the Kali Yuga and the characters of Kali and the destroyer of Kali, and how and why he came here, arise here, and how he is always be understandable if you heard the discussion. Now I shall describe our Kali and Kali's wife. Kali has wife. Kali has wife. And what is the relation with Vishnu or God Kalki? God Kalki. What is the relation with God Kalki? If we follow all the description, describe, you will understand all. So, you heard this story. I shall begin to start this story.